Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through making a Halloween door hanger, and it's going to be so easy. We are going to use a 12-inch round circle unfinished wood. To get started, the first thing I did was I just spray painted it with white spray paint on both sides, let it dry. Next, we're going to start in Cricut Design Space, and I had the image that I want to use, which is this adorable mummy. First thing we want to do is get the measurements. The circle round that I'm using is 12 inches, and I want to do a little bit smaller than that. So we are going to go ahead and make sure that this is unlocked, and I'm going to change the width and the height to 11.75 by 11.75, and then we're going to hit make it. And since we're using HTV iron-on, we need to mirror the image, and then we're going to hit continue. And because this is a bigger material that we will be cutting, I'm going to be using my Cricut Maker 3, and I'm going to be using no mat. So we're going to be cutting without the mat. Okay, so this is the smart iron-on I'm going to use. So I'm just going to take it out. We need to turn it upside down. And I actually have not, I've done this one time. So we're going to do this together because it's been a while since I've used this for smart vinyl. And hit the play button. This is the image that I want to do, so I just like to have it placed right there, just to make sure that when I weed, I'm weeding away the correct part of the vinyl. So let's just go ahead and start with a border around it. So I am going to use my HTV Ront auto press, and I'm setting it for 330, and then we are going to apply this. And I have the holes at the top for the ribbon, so I am just making sure that I have this lined up so it is even. This is actually going to fit so perfectly. What I'm going to do is grab the heat resistant tape, and we're going to start taping it. So let's just kind of put a little bit here and fold it over so it doesn't move. And the plastic part is hard, so this kind of doesn't really fold over well. So I'm just kind of, I'll turn it over in just a second to kind of show you what I did. Just kind of, let's go around. And this is the first time I've made this, so lesson learned, you probably want to cut as close as you can to the wood, but since I have it lined up perfectly, that tape wasn't long enough, I do not want to do that again. Okay, so it's just like this, and it's over here on the wood. When I use the auto press, I like to have something under here to protect it, and then I'm going to place something on top of here as well. And we are going to do 30 seconds, and maybe I'll do another 30 seconds. I'm kind of not positive. Place some parchment over it. And you need, actually that's not big enough. Let me grab the Teflon. Okay, so Teflon here, Teflon there, Teflon everywhere. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go ahead, put it in, and we'll start with 30 seconds. I'm thinking we probably need to do like 60 seconds, but with wood, I thought we'll just take it slow. Pull it out. Okay, so let's check it out and just kind of see. Let's see. Yeah, let's do 30 more seconds. Okay. So I'm going to let it cool a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to go ahead and just peel the tape off first. And I love that it doesn't damage the paint. Okay, let's flip it over, and it's still kind of warm. Let's go ahead and take this off. Isn't that awesome, you guys? That's so cute. I also have shellac that I want to spray over it to seal it, since this can be outside on the door as well. It's just whatever you want to do. If you want it outside, you probably should put like a clear shellac on it. So I'm going to do that.